Good morning and welcome to another episode, and today's episode is going to be a brief one, and it's actually about crypto. I'm gonna share with you guys a strategy that a friend of mine shared with me, and I find it very useful. But in order for this strategy to happen, you have to already be having crypto. As I said before, if you are interested in buying or getting crypto, I can tell you how to do it. Just DM me or send me a message and I will explain how to do it. But taking into consideration that you already have crypto and you want to invest in buying one of the new coins that are going up and down, a good strategy, or the strategy recommended by my friend, is to allocate a certain percentage and say, okay, if this coin goes up by this percentage or low by this percentage, I'm gonna either sell or buy. So basically, let's say you buy it for $100 and you say if it's gonna reach 120, then I'm gonna basically sell it so that I can make $20. So the idea here is to have a strategy and not become greedy. Not wait when it becomes 120 and you say, maybe it's gonna go higher and higher. If you do that, then you'll probably wait and it's gonna drop very quickly and you are going to lose a lot. So the idea is have a strategy for when you are going to buy the percentage and when you are going to sell the percentage, and always follow that strategy. Do not become greedy. That's my tip for you. If you are into to crypto, I hope it helps. If not and you want to get in, just send me a message. I'll tell you how it's done, and see you guys on another episode.